Hey guys, welcome back. This is Kieran Hogg, and in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing RapidReviewz. This is a software that with 3 simple steps, you can make simple reviews that can make money automatically on AliExpress, eBay, ClickBank, Amazon, and more. And you will also see how you can rank it on YouTube at the front page. This is my bonus page. We're gonna look at all the bonuses that I have created to custom tailor this particular product. And I do have review access as well. So without wasting any more time, I'll see you on the other side. Welcome back, my friends. Thank you for being here. This is my channel where I do tech reviews and also show ways to make money online. If you're not subscribed, please do. You'll get value from it. Guys, RapidReviewz is going live on Thursday, 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. That is New York time. And it is being launched by Reviewz, and the front end is $19. Let me take you to my bonus page where we're going to learn more about RapidReviewz, and there's also a really good demo video here. There is a long version that is going to be down in my description. You can watch it. It's quite long. I'm not going to play it for you now. It is almost 14 minutes, but Ram does a fantastic job showing you how you can make these reviews, and you can custom tailor them very easily. But I will be showing you the short version, which is about 2 minutes. Okay, but before I do that, guys, I want to just show you a little bit more about it in the written text here. So RapidReviewz is a 3-click software that can make them over $500 posting automated product reviews, like I said, from Amazon, eBay, ClickBank, AliExpress, and you can rank them #1 on YouTube. So my bonuses are all custom tailored to these particular products and sites as well. And if you stay with me to the end, I have an extra treat for you. Okay guys, so leverage the most trusted, highest converting type of content that smart, lazy, and intelligent marketers are using to make 5 figures a month. This is going to stay up for 5 days, by the way, as I'm doing this. And this is going to be something you can watch on your own time. Like I say, Ram goes into a lot of detail. We're going to learn a little bit more about what it is in 3 simple clicks. So step 1, you're going to enter your URL from any product from either Amazon, AliExpress, eBay, or any other product from any other site, or your own products, for example. Then you're going to let your AI turn on into a highly engaging review video with real reviews. That is the thing here. It is real reviews from other people. You don't even have to make your own video. You don't have to show your face. It is all authentic as well. Number 3 is you're going to upload it using their express ranking method, and then you will just get the commissions from the traffic. So with RapidReviewz, you can create hundreds of professional, engaging review videos as you like, without ever worrying about the complexity of video editing, audio editing, or spending a small fortune. So more reviews you create equals more traffic, which equals more sales, right? All right, you guys, I'm gonna show you this quick video here, so I'll see you in about 2 minutes. All right, so that was just a quick taste, and like I say, if you want a far better, more inclusive review, you can check out the long version here. Now guys, I want to take you over to the members area. Here is the dashboard. So we can see local videos, scrapped videos, YouTube videos, and here is the rendered videos, recently created videos. It all keeps it in step here. So what you could do, you can go to Creator. Now first thing you want to do is add your video details, so you can just call it whatever you want. Now you would go, for example, you can check out the different platforms here, Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, or others. So if I just go to, if I want to check something out, Galaxy Watch 5, for example. So I can get all of that here. I can take the URL like so. I can put that in there. And then I can click on here, Get Reviews. So I can put the URL in here, and I can click here. So get reviews, there's 9 found, okay. And I can continue. So these are all the different reviews. I can add a new record here. I can take all this. So we have the image, we have the name of the person doing the review, the stars, and the review title, and this is the content of the review. Okay, so we can click on a bunch of these if we want. We can do that one, for example. Add and continue. All right, so here are the 2 right there, and we've got all these different features. So we've got typography, media, voiceover, intro, add new slide, music, elements, transition, delete, outro, add text, and add background. Now guys, I'm not gonna get into too deep of this tutorial. Like I say, Ram does a fantastic demo in the long version that you can check out. I'm just showing you how simple it is in my quick review here. Now if you have other ones that you want, you can add it in here as well. If there are videos in YouTube, you can source them here. Okay, so you can add in your keywords and you can search videos like so. And all of the videos that you do create will all be compiled into this video list. All right, and we can look at trending products, so we can find out which ones will have a higher enthusiasm, if you will, and you can start to focus on those as well. So we can search products as well here. So you can search for on Amazon, you can search eBay, you can search other ones as well. You can enter your keywords there. You can also do it with hashtags. So if you're on different platforms, you can find using hashtags to help you find those trending items too. And guys, here are the OTOs 1, 2, 3, 4, which we will talk about in just a moment. The bonuses, and of course the training. Okay, so like I said, the demo is really, really clear, but Ram also does a very clear training as well, and he has support if you are stuck on any of the steps. All right, you guys, let me take you to my bonuses and how they are designed specifically for this product. This is the price and the front end and the upsells. All right, guys, so we're talking about Amazon is one of, well, it's the biggest, I believe, maybe Alibaba, but Amazon is the second biggest engine anyways for buying online things. So guys, this is going to show you how you can make money with affiliate marketing with Amazon as well. So you're going to get direct value from this if you pick up RapidReviewz. Also guys, Amazon FBA tips and tricks. Learn how to be a highly profitable Amazon affiliate with these FBA tips and tricks. Okay, so these are directly going to help you with RapidReviewz. Also, we're talking about adding them onto YouTube. Now, Ram has a checklist, a PDF checklist that is going to help you with some of the SEO and how to outrank others. But these are my own that I'm offering you that a lot of people don't know about and don't use, and it can really help you conquer the algorithm and make it work for you so you are having a headwind rather than a tailwind. So my first one about YouTube is 3 ways to explode your YouTube rate, and another one is 4 tricks to getting huge YouTube view time. So guys, these are ones that other people aren't going to show you. And guys, also ClickBank. We also talked about ClickBank up in the heading there. This is going to show how you can crush it on ClickBank. Finally, my 225 bonuses for free, my mega bonus bundle. That's right. And all of Ram's bonuses, guys. So to get these bonuses, all you want to do is click on any of these yellow buttons like so. It's going to take you to their sales page, which is like this. And you click on any of these buttons, it's going to take you to Warrior Plus. Once inside Warrior Plus, you're going to see these buttons here. Click on that blue button, and that's going to take you to my bonus area here where they're all waiting for you. Very, very easy. Don't forget to do that. Guys, I'm going to take you now to the sales page. So this is a VSL. You can watch this on your own time. This is the same heading that we just looked at. And so you can check that out. Guys, here are some of the key points here. So groundbreaking software, leverage the highest converting, most trustworthy and cost-effective type of traffic. Get 100% free traffic and sales. Create hot and genuine reviews. No need to be on camera. That is a big one. They're all done for you guys, as you can see. You don't have to be in front like I am. Proven and tested methods that's generating thousands of views and commissions. Be up and running in 5 minutes. No experience required. One-time fee, no monthly recurring fees, and you get the commercial license. So again, we know it is a 3-step process. There's real proof. Okay, hold on. I'm going to... Okay, that image wasn't working there. All right, guys, so I'm going to just not spend too much time on this because you can check this out on your own time. Let's just get to... There's Ram Rawat there, the creator. I want to take you to his bonuses. Okay guys, so here are the bonuses that Ram is offering. Number 1 is a commercial license during the launch period only. So guys, it's only going to be up until December 25th, Christmas, till midnight. So this is basically a free bonus. If you want to do it soon, you will get that bonus. If you wait, you miss out. Next one is a live web class that he will be providing. Traffic on demand cheat sheet, launch jacking 2022, and the unshakable super affiliate. Become a successful social media influencer. TikTok marketing checklist, free Instagram traffic, easy video strategies, 100 times YouTube advertising as well. If you want to start going down the paid method with YouTube ads, Ram is going to show you how you can do that. So he's got quite a lot of bonuses as well. Along with mine, you're getting loads of value. All right, guys, let's take a look. So all of this is $17.95 one time. All right, so you're getting all of that, all of my bonuses, and you also have a 100% product guarantee. I want to take you to the price and the upsells now. All right, so there's the funnel, guys. So the front end, you know all that. The key benefits we've already talked about. You can look at this more in detail. and of course my mega bonus bundle and my exclusive bonuses. Now the OTO1 is got a price of $37, so you'll be able to export up to 600 review videos monthly. Wow. Okay, over 50 AI voiceovers to use in your videos, 4 times your traffic and income potential with the pro version, track more eyeballs and go viral, mass video creator, get premium video elements and assets, thumbnail editor, easy social sharing, the commercial license included for pros. So if you decide that you want to get the pro and you get it after Christmas, you will still be able to get the commercial license. Now this has got a lot of value. You can get a lot more content out there in a faster amount of time. Next one, guys, is the OTO2, the SEO edition. Get free targeted traffic to your videos fast. Seamless one-click access for vid shorts users. Tap into the #1 traffic source for videos, better than ads. Automated video ranking solution, no learning curve, trusted by 3,000 customers. OTO3 is the traffic edition. Turn any video on the web into your own viral micro videos. Schedule hundreds of videos to Facebook and Instagram with one click. Perfect for video ads, viral videos, etc. Convert one video into multiple, up to 20s with this one click. Mass edit all videos, commercial license is also included in that. So you can take one video and chop it up with just a couple of clicks. Number 4 is the reseller edition, where you will get 100% on the entire funnel. And guys, you can create accounts for your clients. So this could be also, you could be a freelancer and do this on your own as an extra business as well. Guys, here are the summaries, but I do like the OTO1, and I do like, that is the one that I really like out of all of them. And either the SEO edition or the traffic edition, they're quite similar, so you might want to consider just one of those. All right. And again, you guys, I will leave this all for you. There is a lot of material here, but that is my review on RapidReviewz. Also, guys, these are my tailored bonuses that really complement this product. All right. If you got value, please give me a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment, or you can hit me up on Facebook and I'll gladly get back to you as soon as possible. And I said, if you wait till the end, I'll have another treat for you guys. So if you decide to get this, and if you get it through my link, I will be giving you an extra bonus. When you show me that you have whitelisted my email, I will be giving you a thank you email, and inside that email is a step-by-step video showing you how to whitelist it. Only takes about a minute to do. Show me that and I'll gladly give you this other awesome bonus that I got a lot of value from. And guys, I have a 4-video free training down below you're more than welcome to look at. And if you want to see how a 7-figure affiliate does it the right way, you can check out that webinar down below. All right, my friends, thank you so much for your time. I hope you got some value. Hit me up with anything that is on your mind about making money online, and I will talk to you very soon. This is Kieran Hogg signing off.